Hello everyone, to day 23 of this Agimat experiment. Please watch my intro video from the Agimat experiment playlist if you don't know what this experiment is about. Yes, you remember yesterday the situation was not that good. We had over minus 100 euros of the open trades, and as you know, the overall drawdown was around about 70 euros. And if you look today, all has changed again. I could close the big troublemaker, the Swissy Singapore dollar, and as you can see now, we are overall now in plus. No drawdown at all. And the running trades are minus 30 euros. But I show you all step by step now. First, we look at the troublemaker. This is the situation as I came to at morning on my computer. You can see here the Swissy Singapore dollar. There were a lot of trades going on, and yesterday on my video we were here on this area, and this all buy trades here. Some one sell trade I guess was here, all others were buy trades. And yesterday, as I made my video yesterday, there was the price here and the profit was minus 100 euro roundabout. And as you can see, overnight the EA was going up, and here it reached one target and banked profit. And I used the profit from yesterday and this profit to close this trade overall. It was around about minus 10 euro then as I closed it. The price were then here, but I did not want to wait if it reaches all targets. I want to got out of this trade. And if we look now at our balance, I changed to the account history. You can see that we made, let's check a little bit higher here. You see I made overall again profit. I closed all the Swissy Singapore dollar. I used the profit from yesterday and today, and again it was a profit. I could close the Swissy Singapore dollar with minus 10 euro without making a loss because I used profit. It banked, and this is what this experiment is about. We don't trade without any stop loss. We use profit to close bad trades, and it works meanwhile round about 1 month. We are in the 4th week now. It's day 23, and we used never ever a stop loss in these days, and it worked all times. But it needs a little bit education and patience, and you have to know what you do. And you can see again a profit, and this made it happen that we are overall now in profit again. As you know, the second cycle of the experiment started on June 21 with 398 euros was the balance at this time. Now we are at 401 at the moment, so it's a small profit, not big, but there are still some troublemakers running. But yesterday, remember, it was minus 70 euros drawdown. Today we are round about break even again, and we are out of this really horrible trade without any problems. And now we have to wait what the other trades here do. And if you look at it, we have one trade I don't like really much. It's the Aussie Singapore dollar. It is at minus 27 euros at the moment, and there are profits in all directions at the moment. Here and here it's hedged from the EA, so this pair must reach some profit targets that I can reduce here some trades, or we need profit from other pairs. And I hope that we then get again profit, that this equity increases here, and that we can someone close the second cycle of this experiment with profit. If we look here on the Swissy yen, there's a small loss at the moment. Not to worry here about it. The EA will react to it. Then we have here a new pound trade. I really don't like the pound trades because they are always starting with a minus, and then suddenly it changes and we got in profit, but it's a little bit nerve-wracking. As you can see, there are it's opened. Let's check how many trades are opened on the pound cat. We are positioned with 14 micro lots in the sell direction at the moment. So a little bit risky if it goes up here. I hope it will go down, but if not, then we face another problem trade, and we have to manage it like our Swissy Singapore dollar we had on it, and there's nothing to worry as long as we have enough capital on our account and we are not doing crazy things. And we have the euro pound. There is no trade at the moment on it, as you can see. On the pound New Zealand dollar, there is no trade at the moment going on, and on the euro Swissy, there is no trade at the moment. These three pairs are new to my watch list, and I wait that the EA will open some trades, and we will see what these three running pairs do today. But the running trades at the moment are very nice, and I'm happy that we are back to our start balance again after this horrible Swissy Singapore dollar. And if you use the stop loss on these pairs, for example, you would normally have many losses and your account size would be smaller and smaller and smaller. And we had not this problem. We had no stop loss. The market makers could not stop us out. The EA did the correct hedging, and this gave me the possibility to close the trade. And for today we have 0.7% gain so far. And let's again check the complete experiment. We change, make every time the same error. We change to the start of the experiment. It was 1 month ago on June 11. And as you can see, we are with 35% gain at the moment. We made, let's check, the week gain is a little bit smaller, the minus. You know, I used profit from the last week and this week profit, and this gave a little bit a red for this week because I used more money from this week as profit was in, but I used profit from last week too. So overall, you can see the equity is back to normal. But this is a really nice number. I hope we can increase it further. Let's go back to today. So, yes, this was the update. Very interesting here. You can see what I normally trade here. This is the statistics here. Interesting. So, the minus goes a little bit higher now at the moment, but it changes all day long. So meanwhile, I don't care really about this. Important is the equity number and that we came out of every trades. And I hope we can do this the next days too, and that we then sooner or later can close the second cycle with a nice profit. We have to wait, maybe end of the week, maybe not, we will see. Have a nice day, happy trading, until the next video, bye.